sad that Darren is leaving the band.
Have you ever been to Wetstock?
So, this is what happened.
Get ready for the wildest ride of your life.
When we are alone, she's touching me. Well, I'm a sucker for it, give it to me. The way she's looking at me, she's so damn perfect. It's so damn worth it, the secret we keep. Yeah, I'm a sucker for it.
Two Bears Outdoors.
You're watching Two Bears.
And you're watching Two Bears Outdoors.
All right, guys, we're out here at Picnic Island. You can see we're set camp. We're not completely set yet, but we have our canopy. We have a tent cots. We have K-Bear sitting here relaxing.
We're pooped. Pooped on Picnic Island. The boat, oh crap. People are gonna see us and think, what the heck?
The whole purpose of camping out here is they have this event called Wetstock. We've never been to it. We've seen it on YouTube, and this is gonna be our very first time being part of it.
We're exhausted. We've only had about 3 hours sleep, and it took forever to get ready. So we got up at 5 o'clock, but by the time we finished getting everything together and got all the way down here with traffic and everything else, we didn't get on the water till 3 o'clock. We got lucky though, because there wasn't anybody on the island. We thought somebody might have come out here before us and maybe set up a little camp or something, but there wasn't anybody, so that's good. So we've got it all to ourselves tonight, and so we're gonna try to get some rest, and then tomorrow we'll see how early people kind of start showing up for Wetstock.
Guys, good morning. We made it. We made it through the night.
Well, we're preparing for Wetstock. We're the first ones.
The bands are getting ready to start playing, and we got the pups loaded up. We got K-Bear. We're gonna be heading out over there. Alright, we're finally here at Wetstock, and it's happening, guys. We got the band out here, and it's just a phenomenal time, a great crowd. This is amazing. Hello there.
It's
Hey.
amazing. I'm making my way.
Every
year for the last 19 years. Amazing.
What a day,
Amazing.
huh? Nice.
Hey.
Clap my hands and my life is
wasted trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination.
Wetstock, it's a hit. If you haven't been out here, this is the place to do it, folks. Amazing place. Alright guys, well, Wetstock was pretty awesome, but we're packed up and we're ready to head on home. So I don't know, looking forward to it next year. Folks, this is Gus One Bear and you're watching Two Bears Outdoors. See y'all later.